Namaste. Welcome to Temple of Harmony. Kriya Vedanta Gurukulam, Temple of Harmony. Please come in. It was founded in 2010, July, by our revered Sri Guruji Paramahansa Pragyananji Maharaj. The place was dedicated to all humanity. The objective of this place is to teach the esoteric science of Kriya Yoga, meditation to everyone. Also, to welcome everyone in the community from different path, different tradition, different religion, to come together as a place where we harmonize our thoughts. So that is why this place is called Temple of Harmony. This belongs to Kriya Yoga Institute, Kriya Yoga International Organization, which was founded by Sri Gurudev Paramahansa Hariharananji Maharaj. And this particular monastery was founded by our current Guruji Paramahansa Pragyananji Maharaj. So as you can see, different ideas have been, different teachings of the masters is written here. For example, one of the beautiful teaching that our masters have given is breath control is self-control, breath mastery is self-mastery. It applies to everyone, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, gender, age. This is our library. Since we are open to all religion, all path, the library is full of books from different traditions as well. So please come in. This is a place where we have a lot of discussions, debates, and people from the community come here. We discuss about different thought process, and it is a place of intellectual brainstorming, we can say. As you can see, books on biography, books on spirituality, religious ideas. We have books from Eastern tradition, and on this shelf we have books from Western traditions: Christianity, Judaism, Islam, Buddhism, Jainism, Hinduism, meditation, modern spiritual ideas. We also have books on rational ideas as well. So it is a place open to all. In this section we have books by our master, Kriya Yoga books. So as I mentioned earlier, this is a place for every intellectual seeker. This is ashram office, where ashram office work is done. This is our bookstore. So we have Kriya books available here. Many people from the community, they come here, they read Kriya books. We discuss with them meditation techniques and ideas. And while we are going towards the meditation hall, I wanted to highlight a beautiful thing that we celebrate all around. This is called Temple of Peace Unity Trail. It is located in our Indian monastery, our headquarters, spiritual headquarters. Here we celebrate all the paths that has been found, that has been practiced by humanity at this point of time. So Buddhism, Jainism, Judaism, Zoroastrianism, all are celebrated in a trail. Ashram has a small kitchen. We do cook for ourselves. When there are activities or programs, the mothers cook here. It is an open place, means everyone is welcome to come and help in cooking. There is no boundaries, no restrictions for that. This is a place for general lounge. When people come and visit us, when they come and join us for lunch, This is where we sit and talk. Many times we have intellectual discussion here. So now we'll go to meditation hall, which is our main place. The meditation hall is the critical or the core of the ashram. This is where all our activities, spiritual activities, meditation, cultural activities, interfaith, and blessings happen. So I would like to welcome you to the meditation hall. Please come in. Meditation hall has been a sanctuary for many in the community to come here because we are open. We welcome anyone who would like to meditate, to spend some time in peace, tranquility. Even non-Kriyavans, people in the community, people come here, they sit there, a little bit of peace of mind. So this is a very peaceful place, very tranquil place. Okay. So this is our altar, altar of masters, lineage of masters. In the middle is our Sri Gurudev Paramahansa Hariharanandaji Maharaj, who founded this organization, and this is our lineage of master. From the left, Babaji Maharaj, Lahiri Mahashay, Sri Yukteswarji, Sanyal Mahashay, Paramahansa Yoganandji, Swami Satyanandji, Sri Gurudev Paramahansa Hariharanandaji, and Sri Guruji Paramahansa Pragyanandaji. यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि नारायणायेति समर्पयामि श्रीमन्नारायणायेति समर्पयामि श्री सद्गुरु भगवान की. Now I'll take you to Sri Guruji's room. When Sri Guruji is here, the room Baba stays in. So please come. This is Baba's sandal. When Baba is here, Baba uses. This is Baba's cupboard. This is Baba's study table and chair. And wherever Guru Baba is, Baba always keeps Lord Jagannath's picture on his study table. So that. Yeah. Okay. And Baba loves Saint Francis of Assisi. So Baba always keeps a little statue of Saint Francis of Assisi near its study table. So as you can see, there is a beautiful metal statue. It was gifted by a Franciscan monk. I wanted to introduce you to a classroom. This is where we have children's class. So this is used as a classroom as well as a small meditation hall, also as a place where people come for spiritual counseling. The discussion happens here. So this is our multi-purpose hall. We call it gymnasium hall. It is a very large space. It can accommodate more than 300 people. It is mostly used for dining, and the bigger programs, bigger activities like annual fire ceremony, which we do at the time of worship of Divine Mother, Durga Puja. That is done. Close to 150 people come there. We establish 10 to 15 fire pits. The worship is done there. The other thing that we do is that when we have yoga classes also, that is being done there. And when Sri Guruji comes, we have a lot of people at the time of interfaith. This place is also used as a dining space. So for now we are planning to develop into a very modern multi-purpose hall that is in progress.